Okay, you're watching this to prepare for your upcoming exams. But before we begin, this tutorial is about tests, not essay questions. So if you've got an essay exam tomorrow and you still haven't read anything, haha, good luck, pal. Imagine it's 8 p.m. You've had dinner, wasted your whole time playing, and now you've got 200 pages to read. First step, find chapters your teacher likes. Use these methods. Check your teacher's past exams. If it's not accessible, try to recall what happened in the class, which chapters the teacher spent more time on it. If you don't remember, ask someone who has had exams with this teacher before. And if you can't do any of them, haha, good luck, pal. Second step, choose 30% of the book out the chapters you found. Third step, just read them as many times as possible and read fast. I mean, don't stop to memorize. Read and pass. It's not a matter of quality. It's all about quantity, okay? Read it like a storybook, but stay focused. If you come across some damn thing that's impossible to recall tomorrow, just make a funny fictional story out of it. It must be funny because humor remains more in memory. Just like this. A phosphate attaches to a G6P and turns it into an F6P. Then F6P divides into oxygen and CO2. The story. Jax hugged his daughter Fauzi, and a random guy called them Fairy Pixie. Then that guy buried them alive and they decomposed to oxygen and CO2. You can keep writing for the rest of the chemical reaction. Oh, I almost forgot it. Most people remember cringe stories or memories better than other ones, just like my story. Also, don't stay up late to study, then you'll forget all you've read before. Have at least 6 hours sleep that night.